Plant some of these around your home and garden, and you'll never see another fly again. Spring and summer are the times when most people spend much of their free time outdoors having fun, whether it's a picnic or a nice hike in nature. However, there's one annoying thing that can really ruin your day: flies. Flies are very irritating and difficult to get rid of. There are many commercial sprays and products that promise results, but they're full of chemicals that can harm your health and don't even work most of the time. Luckily, we're going to show you 6 herbs that will repel flies successfully and help you enjoy summer as you should. Laurel leaves. Laurel leaves are powerful pest repellents. Besides keeping flies away, they will also repel roaches and moths, and are even effective against mice. Grow some laurel in pots in your garden, or put a bunch of dry laurel leaves on your porch and indoors to keep flies away. Sweet basil. Basil is one of the most popular herbs in the world. It has a pungent and rich aroma and is very easy to grow. It also keeps flies away from your home, so you should think about getting a pot. Tansy. Tansy, also known as cow bitter or golden button, is a herb that has been used as a natural remedy against digestive problems for centuries. Tansy can also eliminate joint pain and is useful for treating other health problems as well. Furthermore, the herb can also repel most insects. In the 1800s, tansy has been added to burial caskets in order to repel worms from the corpses. Put a pot of tansy in your home and you will never see a fly again. Lavender. Besides its pleasant aroma, lavender can also keep flies away from your home. The herb looks great as well. Just put one under your window or on your porch to repel mosquitoes, flies, moths and fleas. As you can see, nature offers numerous herbs that can repel insects even better than the commercial chemical-laden products. However, every country has a different climate, which is why it may be necessary to combine these herbs in order to see what works best for your home. We suggest planting the herbs yourself and see what's best. It may take a little time, but it will be worth it in the end. Besides improving the look of your home, you will never see a fly inside again. If you liked this video, don't forget to share it.